Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to keep your WordPress site ahead of the time, then you're in the right place. Today, we're uncovering the 5 most important WordPress features you absolutely need to know. These features are game changers that will not only enhance your site's performance but also make managing your website a breeze. So, stick around, because you won't want to miss a single one. And the last one is the most important one. Feature number 1, Site Health Check. First up, we have the Site Health Check. This built-in tool is like a personal trainer for your website. It monitors your site's performance and security, giving you recommendations on how to improve. Just head over to your WordPress dashboard and click on Screen option in the top right corner. Now click on Site Health Status. This will provide your site status and recommend you to the thing you should do to protect your site. Now if I click on here, I can see my site has 1 critical issue and 4 recommended improvements, which I can do. Also, if you click on Past Test, you can see the item which doesn't has any issues. Whether it's a minor tweak or a major issue, the Site Health Check has got you covered. Feature number 2, Auto Update for plugins and themes. Next, let's talk about keeping your site updated without lifting a finger. WordPress now offers auto updates for plugins and themes. There are 2 ways to handle it. First, talk about the traditional way. To enable this, simply go to your Plugins or Themes section and toggle the Auto Update option. This feature ensures you always have the latest security patches and features, keeping your site safe and running efficiently. Now there is a smart way to handle it. You can install a plugin, which will provide you more control over things. Just click on Add New Plugins, and in the search bar search for Easy Update Manager. Here you can see this plugin. Just install it. This plugin is used by many WordPress developers. Now click on Activate. Here you can see our theme is activated. Now if you go to Dashboard and go to Updates options, you can see all the actions you can manage from here. You can delete all updates. You control core updates from here. Also, plugins and themes can also be managed from here. If you click on Plugin, it will also show you recommended actions regarding inactive plugins. And from here you can manage inactive themes. You can explore other features from here. Set it and forget it. Auto updates take one less worry off your plate. Feature number 3, Custom User Roles. Ever wished you could have more control over what your users can do on your site? With custom user roles, you can tailor permissions to fit your needs perfectly. Here, you can assign specific roles and capabilities. For instance, you might want a content editor to only edit posts, while an admin can access everything. Custom roles keep your workflow organized and secure. Navigate to Users. Here you can see currently available users and their roles. Then, add new, or edit an existing user. If I click Add New, and fill all this information, I can set a new user. More importantly, you can set this user's role to subscriber, editor, or whatever you like. After filling all this up, just click here. New user is ready to go. Feature number 4, Block Patterns. Creating beautiful layouts has never been easier, thanks to block patterns. These pre-designed block layouts can be inserted into your posts and pages with just a click. Here I have this About page which is not looking so good. Let's use a block pattern to make it look attractive. So click on the Edit page. Then click on the plus icon. Then go to Pattern. Here you can see these are the predefined block patterns provided by WordPress, which you can use in your website to make it look more attractive, and it's really easy to do it. All you need to do is to drag and drop the block pattern and edit whatever the way you like. You can browse through a variety of patterns that suit your design needs. It's perfect for creating stunning content quickly. For example, I am going to use this block pattern for my About page. Just click on it and it will be on page. Now you can change the text and edit its style as you like. You can also change these images from here. I have only these 2 images now. But you can upload any image that you like to use in your website. Make sure you update after you are done editing. Now if we go back and refresh our website, then you can see the new pattern is added into our website. Say goodbye to complex layouts and hello to gorgeous, easy to create designs. Feature number 5. Setting a page as your homepage. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about setting a page as your homepage. This is essential for giving your site a professional look right from the start. If we go to the page, we can see all the available pages that we have on our website. By default your homepage is set to this sample page, but it kind of looks boring. So if you want to change your website homepage and you might have created a page which you wanted to set it as your homepage, here what you have to do. Here I have created this page, YonPro, for my homepage. Now I am going to set it as my website homepage. To set a page as your homepage, go to Settings, and then Reading. Here, select a static page and choose the page you want as your homepage from the drop-down menu. I am going to choose YonPro. Also the post is YonPro. Now if we go to our homepage, you can see our page is set as homepage. This is great for showcasing a custom landing page or an important announcement. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite feature, and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials.